I am sitting in a 2021 Toyota Tacoma. It takes the remote head key. I have one remote key, one non-remote key. We're going to be doing one more remote key. So we're going to be doing an add remote and an add transponder. So I'm just going to use this key to turn it on. Go to Toyota. Go to Tacoma. We're going to do the remote portion first. We'll go up to 2020, same thing. Go to remote control number 1. We're going to program remote. Okay, we'll take our remote, press lock and unlock at the same time. Let go, press the lock button. There's our chime. That means that is programmed. Hit OK. Procedure is complete. Now we'll back out. We're going to do the immobilizer. 3H. Ignition still on. Program key, yes. Just remove the key. Back to on. Remove the key. Take your next key, insert only, hit OK. Now it's programming. Takes about 45 seconds. Your security light is underneath the radio to the bottom right. You can see it flashing. In a moment, that light's going to go out. Okay, we are almost to the end. Let's go look at the security light. It's out. Procedure is complete. At this point, we can take the key out. Look at the security light. Put the key in. Light is out. That means that is programmed. Remove the key. Here's our remote control. And that works. We are done.